Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh. Sunana Tafiya Yusuf wajen sani da Safara'u. So idan mata masu tunanin cewa ina za su samu abaya, jakunkuna da kuma takalma masu kyau, but guess what? I got the right spot for you guys. Rush and come to Queen's Boutique at Kabuga and get yours. Kakubari abaku labari. Come and patronize you.
London.
I know come this life to suffer. If I follow politician, you go hear am for paper. They go call am prostitution. Who no like enjoyment? If money dey for pocket, shebi na national budget. You, we go blow like trumpet. Eh, koroba, 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 koro. Yeah, carry ya. Koroba, koro, koro, koroba, koro.
Show me that you do. Now tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me?